Hey, what's up traders? My name is George, and today I want to talk about 5 beginner mistakes to avoid when starting trading. And number 5 is you treat trading as a get rich quick solution, like most traders do when they're starting up. When you discover world of trading, you might do a bit of research and to find all these amazing things about trading that you can get rich so quick. You can be basically a millionaire within a day, and then you generally find these education gurus who are posting all these screenshots and the profits on social media that you can just work 1 hour a day or 20 minutes a day and then make like 5, 10, or 100,000 a day or something silly. And it's easy to buy into this when you have no knowledge whatsoever how to trade, and you might think, okay, this is the real stuff, but it's actually not. uh, there are maybe some people who are making that kind of money, but their capital is much higher than whatever the average retail trader can afford to put their account. And statistics don't lie. When you sign up with a brokerage account, you probably notice somewhere on their website it says 70% to 90% of the retail traders lose money when starting trading, and that's a harsh truth. Most of the people who sign up start trading, they have no idea how to trade, and they're just clicking away and putting money, just wondering what's gonna happen. And if there's a big news coming out when you put your large size position on the Forex market, and it moves 100 or 200 pips against. And number 4 is having false expectation, and it's no wonder because so many fake educators, they posting all this nonsense on social media which you're exposed to. And because you're new and you don't have knowledge about trading, you are more inclined to believe them that these guys are posting all these amazing results on the Instagram or whatever that is, of with their screenshots that they turned the 1,000 account into 100,000 within just like a month for trading 20 minutes a day. But that is most likely a nonsense. Trading is a long journey, so ask yourself question if you're really committed and willing to put the effort required to make it to the other side. That is. And number 3 is taking too big a risk compared to your account size. If you have, let's say, £500 or USD, whatever currency using, I'm just using pounds as an example. If you have £500 on your account and you're taking risk as big as, let's say, £100 per trade, every trade, it's only a matter of time until you're going to go to that losing stream and you're going to wipe out your accounts. The poor risk management is one of the main reasons why most traders kill their account. So make sure you manage your risk and don't let the greed take control over you. So risk maximum 5% per trade, ideally is 1% or even less. If you have a small account, let's say you have a £1,000 on your brokerage account, you won't be making much money risking 1%, obviously, but your main goal should be to learn how to trade, not to make money. Obviously, we are all here to make money on trading, but when you're starting up, you should be all your focus should be learn how to trade, not to make money. There's nobody in the world who has a 100% success rate, and the people who are not using stop losses, they might get away for quite a long time, but at the end, market will seek them out. You might think that, okay, I can use the mental stop loss, but I would strongly suggest against it, especially if you're new to trading. Let's say you took a trade and you don't use the stop loss, and that trade start going against you, and then you'll be sitting there, okay, I'm gonna wait, see what's gonna happen, and market goes against you even more. And then now at this point you might be thinking it's probably a retracement and I'm gonna wait until it turns around, but then market still continues going against you until the point that the loss is too big and you can't bear it anymore and you will close that trade. So let's and when you close that trade, you have a big loss. So instead of taking, let's say, like 1% of the loss, you took like 10%. So it's better to take that 1% and cope with that little pain for the time being, and then move on and take the next trade. And number one is not focusing to develop your trader mindset, and this is the keystone to success. You have to develop your trader mindset, and that takes a long time. It takes years to develop the trader mindset. I'm still learning and I'm still developing the trader mindset, even though I've been trading for quite a few years now. Most traders are so concerned finding a high win rate strategies that they forget the most important aspect of trading. Trading is 90% psychology and 10% strategy. Strategy is not that important. It's the psychological part you have to focus on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that helps, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And until then, my friends, be profitable.